Hiya too. I am going to read you a story today. Nora wanted to come and join in because I'm obviously working at home and she's at home too, and finding an opportunity to do this on my own was very difficult. So here she is joining in our story for today, okay? But she says she's going to sit very nicely and listen like a good girl, aren't you? Yeah, okay. So our story that we're going to read today is going to be a story that we read at the start of term, and I'll give you a few clues to see if you can guess what it is. It had in it different colours, and the colours represented different feelings. So have a think, but if you can predict what you think that book might be, you are correct. It is The Colour Monster, and the author of our book is Anna Lenay. So she is the author, so she wrote all this book for us, didn't she? Well, not for us, for everybody. So let's have a look at the story, okay? This is my friend, the Colour Monster. Today he's all mixed up and very confused. He doesn't know why. I wonder if you're feeling a bit mixed up with different feelings right now. Maybe. Let's have a look at the next page. Look at you. You're all over the place. Okay. All the different colours. Okay. I know we've lost it, haven't we? We'll show them the other ones though. It says here, that's because your feelings are all stirred together, so the colours are too. They're all mixed up, all these different colours are all mixed up, and that's making the colour monster feel a little bit mixed up too, isn't it? I know. Let's put each feeling in a different jar so we can look at it more closely. So I think she's going to put all the different feelings in these jars, doesn't she? This is happiness. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. You feel bright and light. You laugh, you jump, you dance. You want to share that feeling with everyone. This is sadness. It's gentle, like a blue rainy day. We don't have that one, do we? Sadness can make you cry. It can make you feel all alone. But if you're sad, I'll hold your hand. Anger can make you want to stomp. Very angry, isn't he? And roar and shout, it's not fair. This is fear. It is black like the night and hides in shadows like a scaredy cat. Being afraid can make you feel very small and alone. If you're scared, tell me why, and we'll walk through the forest together. So if you're feeling scared at home, you could talk to a grown-up about why you might be feeling a bit scared. Or if you're in the classroom, you can tell the person next to you why if you're feeling scared. This is calm. It's quiet like the trees and soft like their leaves. Now you're calm. You breathe slowly and deeply. Can you remember how we used to do this in the classroom? We'd go to feel all calm, didn't we? There, we finished. Here are all your feelings, and each one is a different colour. Can you see them all there? All the different feelings are different colours, aren't they? Let's look at them together. Yellow is happiness, blue is sadness, red is anger, black is fear, and green is calm, isn't it? And can you remember when we read this book in school? Mrs. Cochran didn't turn the page again, did I? And I just thought, oh, that's the book finished. And then we realised that actually there was this page But what's this? You look different, colour monster. How do you feel now? Look at that. There's hearts, there's flowers, there's lots of pink, and we decided, didn't we, that that was loved. That monster was feeling loved. Now, I'm going to show you now the story stones that we had in the classroom, and I've brought them home. So we've got our yellow monster here. Can you tell me how this monster is feeling? That's right. How's he feeling, this monster, Nora? Happy, yeah, he is. Let's have a look at another one. This is, I don't know if you can see this very well. It's the pink monster. How is the pink monster feeling? Well done. How's the pink monster feeling, Nora? From what we said? Loved, yeah, well done. Let's have a look at another one. It looks a bit blue, I think, on this picture, but this is the green monster. Can you remember how he's feeling, everybody? Yeah, he's feeling calm, isn't he? He's feeling all calm and relaxed, isn't he? How's he feeling, Nora? Calm, yeah. Let's have a look at another one. This is the red monster. How do we think the red monster is feeling right now? How's he feeling, Nora?
Angry.
Angry. Can you show everybody an angry face? Can you do an angry face? Yeah, that is an angry face. This is the black one. Can we remember what the black one was feeling? It was fear, wasn't it? A little bit like worried and scared.
You didn't tell me it.
Oh, what's this one, Nora? Scared, like fear, isn't it? Yeah, another word. This one is the one that is all mixed up with all the different feelings, isn't it? And do you know what? Nora said, we can't find the blue monster. We haven't got it. So I think I've left it in school somewhere. Maybe. What I'd like you to do today is maybe draw a picture of a monster and draw all the different colours of what you're feeling. Colour in the monster with the different colours that you're feeling. So shall I show you a picture of the monster in here again? And you could colour your monster in with different colours just to represent how you're feeling right now today, or how you're feeling about not being at school, couldn't you? That could be a really good job that you could do for me, and then share them with me online on WeDuck, and we can all have a look at them and just all share how we're feeling together. Mrs. Cochran might do one as well, actually. That'd be a good idea, and show all the different feelings, how I'm feeling. That would be good, wouldn't it? So have a lovely day. I hope you enjoyed that story, and I can't wait to see these different monsters that you do today, and I'll see you later. See you later, everybody. Do you want to say bye, Nora?
Bye.
Want to wave? See you later. Bye.